Hey guys, it's Michael Internet Pro. I want to show you a couple things real quick. Now, you've been looking and searching for how to make money with PayPal or the email processing system, the new 2.0 system. I want to show you exactly how you can make money online with this system. Okay, now here I'm going to show you a lot of my payments received in the back office of my PayPal account. Okay guys, I'm going to blur out the information here to keep this information private from those who have purchased from me. But you can see that I make a lot of money with PayPal, and I left open the dates so you can see all the dates here, and it'll definitely show you how much money I'm making with PayPal. Okay, now with this system you actually receive 3 different ways to make money. Okay, you have the lower system, the middle system, and the higher system. The low system is at 25. Okay, then you have an in-between system at 50, and a high system at $100. Now, when I was promoting the EPS system, it was the older version. Okay, and at that time we got paid for just $25. Okay, now what you're seeing now is a lot of other systems I promote at $3 and at $4. But when you see these $25 payments, okay, when I was promoting the old system, I was getting these $25 payments like constantly. Just ignore the $3 payments because that's actually coming from another program that I was promoting. Okay, so you can see I get tons of money coming in this PayPal account. Okay, you can see multiple times a day the money come in. Okay, multiple times a day the money's come in. So there's another $25 payment, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25. You can see how many 25s came in on this particular day, this December 3rd. Look at this, 25, 25, 25. It's like $200, $300 a day. But now the system is new and improved. So now you can actually join at higher levels and make more money than ever before. Okay, so that's why I'm now promoting the new system that allows you to make more money at higher levels. Okay, so if you come in at the $100 level, you can actually promote the system at $100 level, the level you come in on, and you can also get paid at the $50 level, and you can get paid at the $25 level. Okay, so the new EPS system has added a lot more training in the back office. I will be going over that here shortly with you, but I want to really get you encouraged that you can make a lot of money from sitting in your pajamas in your living room. You don't have to make any trips outside your house. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to leave the house if you didn't want to make money. It's what I'm referring to is working a 9 to 5. You don't have to get up at the alarm clock, wake up and feel like, oh, another horrible day at the 9 to 5. It really sucks. So what you want to do is definitely make money online from the comfort of your home or anywhere, coffee shop, at the mall, out with your friends. The money's coming in even while you sleep. You can see all these $3 payments I got. Now this is actually from another system, but I want to prove to you that making money from home actually does work, and making money with your PayPal account is possible, but you just need the training. Okay, so you can see the $25 again coming from the EPS system all throughout from month to month to month. So we're going to just keep going, and right now I'm just going to show you all of these $25 payments. This will show you guys that I actually know what I'm doing. The training in here is what I recommend. I have all this training in my own head. I mean, I do. I literally live out this training. But this training needs to be in your head. You have to watch the videos. You have to study it and understand actually how to set up your system. It's not hard to do. It's the system walks you through it step by step. Very easy, uncomplicated. It's just all you have to do is just start implementing, take action, and you'll see it actually begin to work for you. $25 payments over and over again, guys, over and over and over and over again. I'm just going to keep going. I'm just going to show you how long I've been using email processing system since probably like 2010. So I'm just going to keep going down. I'm keep going down, keep going down. I'm just going to keep going down. But in there, like I said, you're going to see some other payments because I actually promote multiple things. So here's like a $9 payment, $3 payment. Again, another email processing system payments. You can see what days they come in. Multiple times a day. Multiple times a day. I'm just going to continue. Okay. And this is real. This isn't like anything fake. This is 100% real. Let me see if I can open this up in another window so you can see this is real. Okay, so I'm gonna probably blur out this person's information. Maybe I won't, but you can definitely see it's real. All of the information is right here. Okay, you can see all these links. This is 100% real. Okay, There's a person's shipping address from South Africa. The person paid $25. It was fee amount taken $1. It's taken out. I got a net amount of $23.72 because PayPal has to take its cut, and you can see email processing membership. Okay, so it's 100% real. So we'll just keep and show more transfers. So I'll just keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. Okay, so what it's really about, guys, is just getting your hands on the training, because the training is, we're going to teach you how to do what I do. Basically, that's just the best way I can tell you. You need to promote on social media platforms. That's what I do. Promote on places like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, good places to promote. YouTube, of course, good places to promote. Really, really simple. You know, here's actions, you know, it speaks for itself. Look at all of these payments coming in. It's going to keep going down. It's July. I'm going to go down. See $25 payments. It's coming in. Look at the dates, guys. Look at the dates when the 25s were coming in. Look at how many 25s were coming in on that one particular date. 22 25s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's like 8 payments of $25. What is that? It's $200, right? But I'll just calculate it anyway. It's $200. $200 a day. Easy money. Keep going down, 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 down. See more $2.99, $4.99. There's other programs, 25. And the reason I like to promote these programs is because everybody likes to join in with those low payments and stuff like that. But it's always better to promote some of the higher tickets at the same time, because you're going to make a lot of money with them too. But, you know, let's not forget, low tickets, you can get a lot of little payments, so those things add up. It says, here's another one for $59, 25 again, email processing system, more 25s. So it just goes on and on and on. And this is as far as PayPal will let me go back. So it actually goes back to 2000 and 2010, but it won't let me go back any further. So that's basically it. There's like a limit of how far I can go back. So there you go, guys. You can see how small this little cursor is, this little whatever this little thing is. You see how small this little nav bar is. Look at that. All those payments, guys. So definitely, guys, I'll open up another one so you can just see 100% real. Okay, there it goes right there. $25. Took out the fee. Person is from Morocco. It's probably speak French out there. This information right there. Email processing membership. So that's what it's all about. Get your hands on the system. Okay, whether you come at the $25 level, the $50 level, or the $100 level, you want to make sure you come in at some level. I recommend the 100, because that's what I'm doing right now. Starting up with the $100 level. That's where I got in at. That way I can actually promote the $100 level and the $50 level. So I will be updating you and showing you $100 payments and $50 payments for those who have joined underneath me at that level. That way you can actually promote the system at that level. Okay, so if you join in at 50, you can promote it at 50 and 25. If you join at 25, you can only promote it at 25. And if you join at 100, you can promote it at 100, 25, and 50. So you get all three. Okay.